This is how you remove the memory out of a Mac Book Pro A1286. You want to remove every single screw that you see in this bottom plate. You remove them all. Once you do that, this plate lifts right off. Once that plate lifts off, you want to pull these tabs. You pull one stick, pull them tabs again, you pull your second stick. Get you some new memory. I'm going to turn it around to where I can see it too. There we go. Pop that in there. Once you got them pushed down in there, put your cover back on. Put your screws back in it all the way around. And the big ones go back here. Big ones go on the back. And all these little ones go around the sides and the front. Once you do that, you're finished.